so beautifully that, "O Lord, take me from darkness to light." But there are economic and market forces that are compelling you to go from light to darkness. Do things that you're not supposed to do. Go to places where you should not be going. Eat things that you're not supposed to eat. Study those things that you're not supposed to study. Watching television, it may sound like a cliche, but I'm a scientist also. Let me tell you that I must compliment you that you have a vibrant, playful, vibrant teachers. And in 4 years, most of the students in this country spent 2,200 hours gaping at the television. This is twice the amount they spend on playground and in their classroom watching no fewer than 1,800 murders and assaults. If the television, the special interest groups can compel you to buy a particular cornflakes and a particular chocolate, they can also compel and propel you into a particular kind of a conduct and behavior. And winners don't do different things. They do things differently. Program yourself like winners. And anybody who tells you that you are not a winner, tell the other person you are an absolute liar and an nincompoop. I am a born winner. I am born to win. And every time your negative ego tells you all kinds of, it poses to be your best friend, but yet it is your worst enemy. And every time your mind's eye predicts a gloomy outcome of the result of the tug of war, or predicts a negative outcome of your studies, you have done a damage and have committed, you are on a suicidal path. Do not allow the castle of your mind to entertain negative thoughts about yourself. Program yourself as a winner. You are the best. Repeat after me, I am the best. I am made to win. I'll always win. God bless your path. Now one sentence for the teachers. No lamp can truly light unless it is a light itself. I have had the opportunity of sitting at the feet of teachers like Sister Christina, Sister Marriott, sitting at whose feet is meditation itself. Because there is an aura of prayer, penance, silence and meditation. Whatever they touch becomes gold. Girls, my childhood was of a very different kind. In my time, schooling had 3 essential ingredients: caning, cold bath and bad food. Unless you had these 3, your schooling was not complete. You are treated like royalty. Thanks your students, thanks the school, and thank the staff for that. You are treated like absolutely precious pieces straight from eternity. Now one word to the parents as well, and I'll do my job. I am now a grandparent. But I have made my mistakes, and my wife and I have made our mistakes. More than my wife, I have made my mistakes. Your children are a piece of divinity and eternity who have come to you for a short while. In 20 years' time, you will be left with CDs and photo albums only, and sweet memories. And bitter memories when you spoke harshly to your children, when you were not fair to your children, when you did not recite a story to them, when you did not spoil them. I say spoil them with your love, affection, spoil them by whatever in the smallest possible manner. I don't say spoil them by giving them things, but spoil them by your love and affection. Drown them by your love and affection. So that when you attain my age, you have a life of no regrets, that you are fair to your children, you are kind to them, and the children, when they think of you, they don't think of sending you to the old people's home. They think of keeping you with themselves. Children, I am overwhelmed by the kindness shown by your school. You are the best, and don't let anybody tell you anything else. You are indeed the best. You are world class, championship material. May God bless your path. Thank you very much. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. We'll now have the final prize distributions. I request Mrs. Padma Singh to give away the prizes. Red and yellow houses. Congratulations, red and yellow houses. Shield for the best pyramid goes to Red House. The best PT item shield goes to class 9.
Goes to Tejaswita Yadav of B Division. Nazia Nurani of Blue House. The first runner-up champion trophy goes to Green House with 212 points. And now the most awaited one, the champion trophy goes to Blue House with 258 points. The champions of post-centenary 45th Annual Sports, Blue House. We also acknowledge the effort taken by Namita Seth of class 12 for securing the third position in the 7th Junior National Soft Tennis Championship 2011. Well done, Namita.
Thank you, sister, for doing the honors. I now request Sister Delphine, our manager, to honor Mrs. Padma. Thank you, sister, for doing the honors. Presenting him a shawl. Thank you, sister, for doing the honors.
May I request the girls, Janvi Shukla of 8D, will you please come fast to this announcing table? Janvi Shukla of 8D, please move.
Every